morning, children. Welcome to our next online class. Yesterday we had started a new chapter, that plotting graph in our Python. So we had seen the data visualization. What is data visualization? Then after this, what library we want? We want matplotlib library in Python. Then only we can write a program. So we have to install Anaconda Navigator to run our program. If apart from this you are having any Python software, then you have to separately install matplotlib. This we had studied in our last class. Now this is a Anaconda Navigator. When you will install, you will get this type of a window, and see here from that hand that it is showing that matplotlib library you will get here. So after installing matplotlib library you will get. Now what is this? Now importing pyplot. Now what the main thing you have to write first? That you have to write first package name. So which package you need? Let us see. Now import matplotlib dot pyplot library you want in your program. Whenever you will write plotting program in Python, you have to write this package name first. Now when the first command above, you will need to issue every pyplot command. Every pyplot command after pyplot you will write. Okay. So and the second command above, you have provide PL as the shorthand for matplotlib. So when you want a shortcut, you will use PL. Now working with pyplot method. Now let us see how it works. The pyplot interface provides many methods for 2D plotting of data. The matplotlib's pyplot interface lets one plot data in multiple ways, such as line chart, bar chart, pie chart, scatter chart, etc. Like this. There are so many graphs you can draw in Python. Now you can easily plot the data available in the form of numpy error. Numpy error you can use ND arrays or data frame, etc. So let us see one example. See, this is an example. When you will write program for plotting, you have to use what? Numpy as NP, because we are using numbers, and matplotlib.pyplot as PL. X, because graph, when we draw graph, there is an x-axis and y-axis. We know that in graph paper we are writing like this only, x-axis and y-axis. So in program also we have to take x-axis and y-axis. So what the value should come in x-axis, that you write in x, and what the value come in y-axis, you write in y. So now x is equals to np. Np is what? Numpy shortcut name, short name. When you will write np, you will use np dot line space. Line spelling you will write LIN. You will not write E. LINSPACE. So what the value should be there? Write in a bracket 1, 5, 6. Here value is given. Next is y is equals to np dot log x and PL dot plot bracket x and y axis. So this is a graph. So you will write line chart we are using. So line space we will write, and you can see the graph with the line is there. Now base of sample plotting. Data visualization essentially means graphical representation of complete data. Thus graphs and characters are very effective tool for data visualization. You can create many different types of graphs and characters using pyplot. Now there are so many types of chart. First is line chart, bar chart, scatter plot, pie chart, histogram plot, box plot chart. These are so many charts are there, but according to the 30% reduction, we will not study some charts and we will study only line chart, bar chart and pie chart. These three chart you have to study for this year. Now we will start for line chart. What is line chart? A line chart or line graph is a type of chart which displays information as a series of data, point called marks, connected by straight line segment. Why pie plot? A line chart is created using plot bracket function. This is a line chart. We had seen this is a line chart. Okay. Now next is bar chart. A bar chart or bar graph is a chart or graph that present categorical data with rectangular bars with heights and lengths proportional to the values that they represent. The bars can be plotted vertical or horizontal. Why pie plot? A bar chart is created using bar or bar h function. Here two function we will use. When you want to show your bar chart in vertical, then you will write bar bracket. By default it is vertical only. But when you want to show your bar in a horizontal way, then you have to write function bar h, bar h you will write bracket. This is the function name. So vertically is by default, so no need to write, but when you want data in horizontal, then you have to write bar h function. If you will write vertical bar h, then also no problem. Now next is pie chart. A pie chart or a circle chart, both is same, is a circular statistical graphic which is divided into slices to illustrate numerical portion. This better example for pie chart is pizza. You know, pizza is in a circular way and you are cutting, when you will eat the pizza, it is in a slice. So the pie chart is also in a slice. Okay. So when pie plot, a pie chart is created using pie function. So you will use their pie function. But pie chart can plot only one data sequence, unlike other chart types. So these three charts you have to study this year. So we will see only these three charts. Now this is a, here example is given. This is a bar chart and this is a line chart. You can see here different types of charts are we had seen here. What? Line chart, bar chart, scatter. Just you see what is scatter plot, pie chart, histogram, box chart. So let's see one. I want to show one view. The first one is line chart. A line chart or line graph is a type of chart which displays information as a series of data points called marks connected by straight line segments. So first one is line chart. Another one is bar chart. A bar chart is a chart that presents categorical data with rectangular bars with heights proportional to the values that they represent. Now this one is scatter plot. A scatter plot is what? Two-dimensional data visualization that use dots to represent the values obtained from two different variables. One plotted along the x-axis and the other plotted along the y-axis. So this is scatter plot. Now this is pie chart. A pie chart or a circular chart is a circular statistical graphics which is divided into slices to illustrate numerical portion. Now creating line chart and scatter chart. What you want? Let us start creating what? matplotlib.pyplot library of Python. So you have to write first import matplotlib.pyplot as pl. pl is what? Command which you will use. Along with pyplot, if you are using numpy or pandas functionality, make sure to import them. If you are using numpy, then you have to import. If you are using pandas, then you have to import. Now we are going to talk about what line chart and scatter chart together, but scatter chart is not in it is not in not it will not come in this year, but just we will discuss. Why have we clubbed line chart and scatter chart? You must be thinking, right? Well, the reason is that for simple chart, the line chart and scatter chart is similar. Okay, line chart and scatter chart is similar. The only difference is what that difference presence or absence of line connecting the point. Means in scatter chart only points are there. In line chart you will connect that lines, that dots, so that will become a line chart. Okay, so using plot function, a pie plot, you can create both these basic types charts. The scatter chart, however, can be created using scatter function. Now let us begin with plotting with line chart. So line chart is what? A graph chart is a type of chart which display information of series of data points called marks connected by straight line segments. The pie plot interface offers plot function for creating a line graph. Now this is one example is given for line chart, that A value is 1, 2, 3, 4, B is 2, 4, 6, 8 and C is 1, 4, 9, 6. Now first you will import what? Import matplotlib.pyplot as PL. This is a package name. Then after what? PL dot plot AB I want to plot. So data A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is the diagram for this. That PL dot plot AB. So you will get like this type of line chart. So like this way you will write programming, small program for bar graph, for any type of a graph in Python. It is very easy. Plotting is very easy. Only you have to import package and you have to write the point values so that your system can draw a graph in front of you. So rest we will see in next class, children. Okay, thank you.